Good afternoon, everybody. Today is March 2nd, 2015, and welcome to our live market analysis for the Euro USD. I'm the Chief Technical Analyst here at HyperFX Academy, and I'll be walking you through some of the trade setups that occurred during the US session today. Now, we are using one of the basic HyperFX zigzag indicators, and we've applied it to our 5-pip Renko chart, and we will be drawing both horizontal and angled trend lines to establish support and resistance levels. And once the Renko bricks cross these support and resistance levels, on the upside we get a buy signal, and on the downside we get a sell signal. So I'm going to begin by drawing some of the trade setups that occurred today. Our first entry would have been at this point here. That's our first trend line. We simply connect the red dots. When we have a red dot which is lower than the previous red dot, we use an angled trend line, and as soon as the price action crosses that trend line, which is at this point here, that is our first buy signal for the day, which is actually very good. This signal went for 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 40, 50, almost 60 pips. Again, if you're trading one standard lot and you manage to capture 60 pips, that's a $600 trade, and if you're trading 10 standard lots, that could be potentially a $6,000 trade. Now, I'm getting a lot of questions as to what a good strategy for the exit would be, and in this case, if you simply had waited for the opposite bar to appear, that would have been a great way to exit this trade. It was at the beginning of the US Open, and the market moved very well right off the bat. So if you were fortunate to take advantage of this easy break trade, it worked out very well. After that, if you had missed this opportunity, you would have had another opportunity at this point here. You can see we connected these two dots, and we had another opportunity actually at the exact same price level here. So either one of those would have been very profitable. After that, we had a break down at this point here, right here, and that was a great trade as well. It went for 5, 10, 15 pips. So again, 15 pips, nice little movement there. And then we had a small upside break again, which went for 10 pips. Let me draw that out for you here. And then later in the afternoon, we had another horizontal break. Right here, you can see that this blue dot is lower than the previous blue dot, so we don't use an angled trend line. Because if you use an angled trend line, you notice that the price action crosses way too late. This brick crosses well after the price has moved in that direction. So what you want to do is you want to draw a horizontal trend line, and then once the Renko brick closes below that, which would be at this point here, you have another sell signal. And that was a great signal. It went for 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 pips, and that's where we stand right now. So if you had taken this trade, you'd be up about 30 pips right now as well. So as you can see, we had 1, 2, 3, 4 great trade opportunities today for the Euro USD. It was a Monday, so it was kind of slow, but again, the market moved very well on the upside initially this morning, and went for over 60 pips, so that was quite a move. So that's our market recap for the Euro USD, folks. I'll be joining you again tomorrow afternoon with another recap of another currency pair using our Renko strategy and combining it with support and resistance levels, either horizontal or angled trend lines, and using the zigzag indicators. Again, both of these indicators, the market hours indicators and the zigzag indicators, can be downloaded. Please check our description for the links, and you can take advantage of those. Again, thank you for tuning in, and happy trading.